Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame, bringing you the heat and fix, I destroy, I neutralize. I'm back and unbothered and back to fix the country. Let's get it. Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty. And in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned. It's about to go bananas.
You can't have one girlfriend. I'm a colored. No.
Untori promise Mary. Untori getonyala jwang wetsa so.
Nale chino igqoke luthengelwe yimi. Nale sigqoka saka Jesu.
Una mina ngibe step mother.
Yes. What is wrong with you?
Are we not working? No, are we not working? This is our bread. This is our pan.
This is your bread, not mine. Yours. Hi, guys. How are you? I go around asking couples questions. Would you guys mind? Just 5 minutes. It's fine, ne? The girlie wants to come closer. Listen to the woman of the house, nigga. Are you hiding anything? Are you hiding her? You know, exactly. So you want to be seen with her on camera. Come. We're in the shade. Sisuyasha. Thank you, pretty girl. Come closer. Thank you, guys. Just come closer. I want to shoot over here. What is wrong? Come on my right. Okay. Name? Mpumi.
Sure.
Okay. Mpumi, right? Mpumelel. Okay. And? Tulile. How long have you been with Mpumelel?
2 years.
2 years. Still going strong?
Yeah.
Okay. Mpumelel, where did you meet her? So the obvious, you could have met her at the mall, you could have met her in the street, you could have met her in the club.
But then bengiphuma file ejaridini kanti nayo izophuma yabo into enjalo.
Wamshela ke ngoku.
Yabona be.
Yes. I was also gonna share her. Okay, what is it that you like about her?
How to lead the feed yabo.
Kuthulisile vele.
To lead sure.
You like white girls?
Cause nami vele yabo indaba zokurasa.
Awuthandi.
Sure.
Okay,
Yambona njani
Okay. Chuli, what is it that you like about him?
Personality.
Ukuphatha kahle.
Yo, too much.
Okay, girl. Okay. But appearance-wise, what is it that you like about him?
Skin color.
So what shy Tim's shy?
Yeah.
That's it. Skin tone.
Yes. Smile.
And his smile. Guys, okay. Pumelelo, on a scale of 1 to 10, what is it that you like about her? Sorry, man, do you trust her? On a scale of 1 to 10, do you trust her? How much do you trust her?
8.
My bad.
Kuyenzeka yabo umuntu vele unento zakhe mfethu noma yini vele mara yena ngiyamthemba vele sho ngamgaba ma 8.
8 out of 10.
Yeah, Tsunyana little bit.
Leave 2 for disappointment. So you're leaving 2 for disappointment. Hey, Tuli, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you trust him?
9.
9. You're leaving 1 for disappointment as well?
Yeah.
Okay, in the 2 years you guys have been together, have you ever gone through each other's cell phones?
This time Sakala. Yeah.
Oh, why?
Enjoy.
Whose idea was it?
Nakhona ukuthi ifoni nje mehleli yabo.
Yeah.
Maybe a ring angina flop angayibamba sure.
But at the beginning.
Yeah.
So that was around month 2, 3.
For sure.
So after that you've never checked each other's cell phones?
Yeah, cause ngithi siyathembana bo.
Niyathembana. Okay, guys, let me get straight to the point so you guys can go there.
Okay.
What we do on the show, we basically make couples switch phones, okay? So you guys switch phones and then you guys go through each other's WhatsApps.
Abona.
Mpumelelo, Thuli, why do you guys both have an issue? What's wrong?
Hayi, azifona ntombazane. Hey.
Ithena iphatha.
Hayi. Angifuni senyakhala manje.
So awufuna uyijonga?
Hayi, right.
Okay, would you mind her looking at yours?
Yeah, enough love.
Okay. Thuli, would you give him your phone?
Yeah.
You don't mind? Thuli doesn't mind. Thuli doesn't mind.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, get kupani phones.
Mara, why?
You just agreed, Thuli. Are you hiding something on your phone? Sabi phone ntomazana.
Umuntu akafuni ngefoni.
Ntombenhle, phone. Okay, I think we'll start with yours.
Ama camera.
Guys, this will take literally 2 minutes. 60 seconds. We'll just give him 1 minute to go through your phone. Thuli phone. Oh, phone ngale phone Thuli. Thank you. Okay, password now, just open it.
Sure.
Thank you. Okay, Thuli, go to his WhatsApp. Okay. Type love you. That's you, ne?
Yeah.
Okay. Delete that. Type miss you.
Hey, kumele ngibambe vele.
Awuyifuna yakhe.
Him?
Delete. Type babe. Why is your man scared of your phone, Thuli, son?
Phone ntombazane.
Yeah, him.
Nah, okay. Delete that. Type thank you. Let's see who he's doing favors.
Him then. That's Mama Kilo.
Okay. Delete that. Type outside. Let's see who he's fetching. Okay, I don't see anything dodgy.
Ngeke ngimchitele lo muntu.
Uzomshitelela ntoni umuntu omhleka ngakho?
Uyabona.
I would judge you. Say, but we're still searching. Type pregnant, love. We never know.
Yeah, very much.
Nothing. Okay, delete that. Type test. Nothing. Okay, delete. Type morning after pull.
Uyabona bama camera. Hey.
Alright, sana clean.
Bama camera.
Did we type babe?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, Keputi. Congratulations. Oh, Thuli. Please, man, sis, man. Ne? Yo.
Why singayeki vele sawo.
Yeah, I feeling as sick.
So you don't want to check her phone?
Hey.
Oh, me, I'm not going to force you to check her phone. Because now you're stressed. Because if she's cheating, you're probably going to lose this beautiful girl.
Singayibheka.
No, if our phone is ningagoduka.
Hayi sisiphe.
So now you want to check it?
Mara,
Yeah.
Thuli?
Hayi sengifuna ukuyibheka.
What is wrong? In case, eh?
Sure.
Okay. Vula ke Thuli. Thank you. Okay. Go to our WhatsApp, ne? Okay, type love you. Okay.
Yeah, imfeli. Yeah.
Okay, delete that. Type miss you.
Yeah, see.
Yeah, still clean. Okay, type babe. Do you see anything dodgy?
Hey, yabo. Angazi lama number lawo khamba ani.
Oh, babe, abangaka.
Ah, bese.
Go into the chat. That one. Usibu.
Yabo.
Bani usibu, usibona izinto apha Thuli. Why are you calling Sibu babe?
Because okay, ngibiza noma ubani nje.
Usibu.
Awu nami futhi.
go into media? Thuli sibona izinto apha Thuli.
Ezifana nani?
Sibona izinto. Aba you don't know what you sent Sibu?
Awunami izinto engingasendelwa futhi.
Do you want to call Usibo?
Simzama. Khamba no uba.
Thuli uzothatha.
Ngami umngane wami.
Usibu gonna say the same thing.
Thombe so.
Ba nizi friends. Khona into wrong ngothuli ya.
Awuyithombe futhi.
Thuli. Indoda yakho nele?
Yiphi?
Usibo. Ehe. Ay.
Yebo indaba amantombazana.
Noms, my Wi-Fi. Did it switch off? How? Oh. Hello, can I please speak to Usibo?
Hello.
Buda. Kambani.
Ukhuluma
Ephethu manamba akho khambani efoni ne-girlfriend yami man.
Gama kalokho uzomazela.
Awuthulile mfethu khambani.
Thulile umuntu wami.
Umuntu wakho
Sure.
kanjani man?
Awu ngizi kahle. Wena ubani ngakwazi.
Ngafeli kawa yana flow.
Ask how long they've been dating.
Ukuphi?
Ukuphi khambani senithola isikhathi esingakanani mfethu?
Asuke isikhathi eside mfana mhlawumbe ngibona sekuyiyesho.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yo.
Mina ngikwazi umsangishilanga ubani.
Ayifeli mfethu, singikhulume naye feli sharp mfethu.
So.
So Usibo is side nigga.
One.
And then i-main nigga ngumpumelelo.
One.
Maybe phone Gatul. Today we're not gonna sit here and stand here and try to talk to you and you're quiet. What do you have to say for yourself? Speak.
Ngizothini?
What do you mean Uzothini? Usibo, you've been together for a year. When did you meet Sibu? Why did you carry on with Usibo knowing that you're dating Umpumelelo? Is there something missing? Usibo, does he give you money? Usibo, what's happening?
Yeah, uyangiphumela ngisho sanginikeza isikhathi sakho.
So Usibo gives you money?
Yeah.
Umpumelelo akakuniki. Here's your phone.
Angifuni imali yakhe, ngifuna isikhathi.
Mara uyacawa mfethu ngiyavuka ekuseni kanjani ngiyahamba.
Day. Every day.
Ukuspana khambani angizikhetheli mos.
Nange weekends akekho?
Obviously weekend yafi konke engihlanganisayo yabo.
Unaso isikhathi?
Mara during the week bese.
Oh, unaso isikhathi sokujive.
Yabo that's why ngayifuna lo muntu
Okay, but truly, we're not going to sit here and blame Umpumelelo on it because you're the one that cheated. And it's into yakho, you're going to apologize to your man. Okanye, do you want to carry on with Ulendo smooth?
Antoni usimiseleni la? Usimiseleni la?
To reveal that you're cheating, Sally. What do you mean for Ndon? Akasoli, ulibele uplay bamna. So it's into yakho.
Thini ngani?
Are you going to stay with us Bokanye Umpumelelo?
Ngiyakhetha.
Uthanda ba? Mpum. Ufuna uthini Impumelelo ke?
Mind awasibuka khambani mfethini kona.
Are you willing to umlahla uSibo?
Ayikho phela into engayenzanga wani yo.
Uthi she's willing to umlahla uSibo.
Bese mina ngenzani?
Angeke.
Ngithi okay ku right. Ku right kushuthi.
Wena mina ihlukana angeke ihlukane ke.
Hayi lo muntu. Uyangiforce kushuthi.
Mpume, what do you want to do?
I feel you understand the I want to vary bayenza ama mistake wawo nani. Hayi.
So ufuna uthini ke ngoku? Do you want to stay?
Angeke.
Awufuna uhlala? Nami I think imlahla wethu. But it's your choice.
Wani yonke. 2 years kushuthi nje.
Ewe, because cheeky, you haven't apologized. You are giving us attitude, and you're the one that cheated. Lahla, makakulahle umpume.
No, ma, maybe ayikho ngespanini.
You're not even sorry.
Ngihlale la.
Angisho ngiyasho ukuthi ngizophuma kuyi.
Kungukuthi yini reason ngenza ungangitshela ngokuthi.
Uthe isikhathi kaloku umpume.
Kanjani? because buzosho ukuthi mfethu ngika isikhathi sami.
Kunini 21? Kunini 21?
Yo. Uyabona ngi-21 then wabona ukuthi ke sibu. Ke ahlala nosibu wakho, ke ahlala nosibu wakho.
After no work, so you're done.
Nosibu wakho. And yabobheka yabo ndaba ama-camera besithi sendlini manje.
I'm sorry. You guys can go about your business there and decide.
Afera sisendlini sobona ukuthi simisa kanjani.
Okay, Paulo, my skirt, I'm sorry.
Ana flop. Yashisi.
Hamba thuli before undibethe sana yake sinamsindo thuli. Bye guys.
Yabona ama-camera hu.
Akaze ndicapukele uthuli. But she cheated. Why is she giving me attitude? Yo.
She's looking at you. The
Oh, she hates me. I disgust her. Why is standing behind me with the thingy? The camera.
way.
Sabini.
Umlunga hired me to look after you. So look after you.
Okay, fine. Do you have anything to say? Shall we close?
Awufuna isikhulume ngathi.
What did you say today to me when you saw me? You pivot.
What did I say?
Nothing.
No.
Sabini, stand this side. I don't like looking like this.
Okay, what did I say to you?
I don't know.
Did I say something when I saw you? Okay, kuphi?
Checkers.
Checkers. Ukuthi bengikhulumina umuntu othanda ukukhuluma iqiniso lesi. Thanda yabo iqiniso ngiyalithanda. Ngiyamthanda umuntu oneqiniso. Yabo kunomuntu ukuthi into iyenzeka kuyena but angafuni ukuyikhuluma. Yabo ayivalele ngaphakathi. Yena moyivalela ngaphakathi izokudla. It will eat you up.
So
I don't want anything to eat me up.
But do you see my point when I say that men like to say, oh, don't we like you natural? But I seem to do other things to you when I'm wearing a weave. So it's best to not listen to men. Do what you like.
Yenza lento ehambelana nawe.
Yes.
So when
I've never done that to you in an afro.
Ngithi mina when I saw hey, afro akazi wenzeki.
Exactly.
Yenzeke manje mofakile.
Exactly.
Nami ngize ngathiwa ngithi hayibo kwenzakalani. It has never happened before.
Exactly.
Iqala ukwenzeka nami.
But it's also not the first time I'm wearing a weave, Mus.
Maybe it's new.
It's not new.
It's not new. But le ihlukile somehow. Ngoba ngithe mangikubona ngizwe ngiyakazelwa.
This is lovely. Sabini, no, let's close the show. We can close.
Ngize ngathiwa ngithayibu kwenzakalani.
Okay, we can close.
Wanyakazelwa uyibambe kanje uthayibu. Kanti lo muntu obusebenza every day why?
I mean, we can close.
Okay, let's close. But namhlanje ungithusile.
Guys, let's close.
Something moved.
Sis Mandla. Guys, that is an absolute wrap from me. My name is Lisa Serame. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Serame _ and follow me on Facebook, Lisa Serame.
Instagram, welcome_Dlamini. 88 on Facebook, it's welcome Dlamini. TikTok, welcome Dlamini. Danko. Oh, my goodness.
Sanbonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niya Tembanana. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame. Don't be Yaste Prebecha. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Oh, ma, best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
You can't have one girlfriend. I'm a colored. No.
Ntori promise Mary, ntori ke tlo nyala jwang o etsa so.
Nale chino igqokile ithengelwe yimi. Nale sigqoko saka Jesu. Funa mina ngibe step mother.
Yes.